Russian soldiers are continuing to complain about huge losses in Ukraine due to constant shelling and sabotage and reconnaissance groups, according to a new intercepted conversation published by the main intelligence directorate of Ukraine's defense ministry on YouTube. One of the invaders can be heard telling his son about the attack by the Ukrainian armed forces. "They F out our positions to pieces," the invader said. "We have 300 injured again. That's it, half of us are left. Every second is already wounded. We've withdrawn for now. I came to the positions, but we have no mobile connection there. I came here to the forefront. Everything is F out to pieces. Buildings are F, everything is F. With a mortar, a tank up close. They broke everything. I think I'll make a quick call right now and, God forbid, get out of here." In addition, he mentioned some Polish mercenaries who allegedly kill Russian soldiers at night. "Special forces, Poles and all kinds of mercenaries arrived here," he said. "They killed so many people. 3 of our guys were killed at once. They sneaked in at night. Today they killed 8 people. Right as they slept. And then 2 more. I'm saying it's not a special operation. It's a fierce war here. We're cannon fodder here. There are few of us left. There are no Polish mercenaries or soldiers serving with any other NATO army involved in the fighting in Ukraine. Some foreign citizens are fighting as part of the Ukrainian armed forces in the country's foreign legion or in other regular units." The Russian soldier was likely referring to Ukrainian special forces soldiers or Ukrainian partisans. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.